continue our course Computer-Based Application in Soil and Water Science. This is the part 2 of lecture number 10. Part 2 contains two topics. First one represents the second case determination of crop water requirement NCWR without importation or import of ClimWat data and irrigation schedule design. Second topics as the title of roughly calculation of crop net water requirement by sheet Excel. Open and run the software of CropWat. Here we can import 80 node data from ClimWat software. Just press the icon of climate /80 node, and then when you write the country and the climatic or meteorological station, obtain the climatic data and especially 80 node evapotranspiration. Then we can press save to store this data, especially 80 node. Then we can continue to get crop data and rain data and the soil data, and continue with the same procedures of calculation of water requirement without ClimWat data as mentioned or explained in the first part of this lecture. You can return to the first part to complete the steps to obtain the crop water requirements. Now we turn to topic 2 that has the title of roughly calculation of crop net water requirement NCWR by using sheet Excel. Here a clear example to use Excel sheet to calculate the irrigation requirement of irrigated wheat which planned to be planted at 23 October. You have all required data to solve this example. 80 node, monthly 80 node. Then the second table contains the crop growth stage. Here we have 4 stages. Then how many days in each crop stage. The last column contains the crop factor K sub C, which is different for each crop growth stage. Formula for roughly calculation of crop net water requirement NCWR. Crop water requirement equal 80 node multiplied by K sub C multiplied by 4.2. ATC or AT sub C equal 80 node multiplied by K sub C. ATC or ATC sub C, crop evapotranspiration. AT node reference evapotranspiration. K sub C crop factor. This formula can be written as a following. Crop water requirement equal 4.2 multiplied by summation from I equal 1 to I equal 4 multiplied by 80 node multiplied by K sub Ci. Here we summation or we sum from I to 1 إلى 2I is equal 4 because we have 4 gross stage. I equal crop gross stage. K sub Ci crop factor in the gross stage I. Calculation of AT node evapotranspiration. The table indicates that wheat crop have 4 gross stage. First stage 20 days, second one 25 and so on. First stage is composed of 2 periods. First period from 23 October to 31. Second period from 1 November to 11 November. ET node varies according to the climatic data and climatic condition and so on. It varies according to the days and months. For example, the first stage or first gross stage have 2 values of ET node. For the first value 5.2 and for the second period of the first gross stage is equals 3.7. Thus we must consider the variation of ET nodes through the different days that compose the different gross stage. This is the Excel sheet of calculation of CropWat of wheat crop growing from 23 October to 9 April. First column 4 months. Second one contains the ET node millimeter per day. Third is the stage, gross stage, and the number, the following column contains the stage or the days of each stage, gross stage. First gross stage is composed of 9 days in October and 11 days in November. ET node for these 9 days of October equals 46.8. ET node for the total of 11 days of November equal 40.81. Thus, the ET node of the first stage or the ETC for the first stage is equal to the summation of the 2 values 46.8 plus 40.81 and so on for the other growth stage. We sum the ET sub C for the 4 stage. The ETC or ETC sub C for all stage or for the growth season equal 663.68, which is multiplied by 4.2 to obtain the value of net crop water requirement for wheat meter cube per fidan for growth season equal to 2,787.46.